Okay, next topic is solving correlation. Okay, solving correlation in calculator. Okay, so how to solve this correlation in scientific calculator? Okay, so in scientific calculator we will get the value of correlation directly. Okay, so it saves times. Okay, time. uh, the prerequisite is it is all necessary to clear mode before starting a problem. Okay, so before starting a problem, okay, so in the calculator you want to clear the mode. Okay, so how to clear the mode? See, first you want to take the calculator in the calc. Okay, you first press shift plus mode. Okay, so if you press shift plus mode, okay, so display it will be like this. Okay, MCL mode all like that. Okay, so if you press shift plus mode, okay, so in the display it will be like this, MCL mode all. Okay, so okay, after that you press 3 plus equal. Okay, so after that you press 3 plus equal to. Okay, 3 plus equal to. So if you press 3 plus equal to, okay, so it will get like result all. Okay, so first step is you want to press shift plus mode. Okay, after that you press 3 plus equal to. Okay, then in the display it will be like this. Okay, reset all. So, okay, so after that you press AC. Okay, so ensure that okay, in the display only D option. Okay, so after clearing mode, okay, the display will be only D option. Okay, okay, after that you press mode 2 times. Okay, if you press mode 2 times, okay, you will get like this, ST, REG or base. Okay, so you press mode 1 or 2 times or 3 times. Okay, so the display you will get like this, ST, REG, base. Okay, so, okay, now you press 2. Okay, 2 means REG. Okay, so after pressing 2, okay, you will get like this. Okay, LIN, okay, and LOG and ESP. Okay, so in this you want to press 1. Okay, that is LIN. Okay, so after pressing 1, okay, in the display, okay, in the display there will be only 2 options. Okay, first option will be D and REG. Okay, ensure in display only 2 options is there. Okay, REG and D. Okay, so after that, for example, I want to solve this problem. Okay, I want to find the correlation between this X and Y value means. Okay, so first you want to type the data. Okay, you want to type the data in XY format, that is 1 comma 2 m plus, like this. Okay, x1 comma y1. Okay, after that you want to press m plus. Okay, after typing each data you want to press m plus. Okay, so after pressing m plus, the display will be like this, that is n is equal to 1, means you enter the first pair of data. Okay, like this you want to enter all the pair of data. Okay, see, you want to enter the data like this. Okay, 1 comma 2 m plus and 4 comma 5 m plus. Okay, and 6 comma 8 m plus. Okay, and 9 comma 10 m plus. Okay, and 12 comma 24 m plus. Okay, like this you want to enter all the data. Okay, in XY x comma y format. Okay, after entering all the data, okay, after entering all the data, ensure that the number of pair of observation is equal to n. Okay, so here we are having 5 pair of observation. Okay, in the problem we are having 5 pair of observation. Okay, so so n is equal to 5. Okay, okay, after entering the data, okay, you press shift plus 1. Okay, so if you press shift plus 1, you will get data like this. Okay, summation of x squared, summation of x n, like this. Okay, okay, so all the value of the formula will be available. Okay, okay, so you want to go right side. Okay, if you want the summation of y, okay, you go right side. Okay, in the replay button you go right side. Okay, so if you go right side, okay, you will get all the value of the formula. Okay, for example, I want the value summation of x comma y. Okay, you press 3 plus equal to. Okay, suppose I want the value 3 summation of xy. Okay, then you press 3 plus equal to. Okay, so you will get the value of the summation of xy. Okay, so okay, on pressing the corresponding number plus equal to, you will get the value. Okay, for example, I want to get summation of y. Okay, you want to press 2 plus equal to. Okay, for getting summation of y squared, okay, I want to press 1 plus equal to. So for okay, on pressing the corresponding number plus equal to, you will get the value. Okay, the correlation value can be get by pressing shift plus 2. Okay, so now the formula, okay, the formula value we got by pressing shift, okay, by pressing shift plus 1. Okay, so now the correlation value can be get by pressing shift plus 2. Okay, so if you press shift plus 2, okay, display will be like this, like x bar, okay, sigma x xx like that. Okay, so you go right side. Okay, in the replay button you go right side. Okay, the big button is called replay button. Okay, big button is called replay button. Okay, in the replay button you go right side. So if you go right side, okay, okay, in the last you will get a, b and r. Okay, so r is the correlation value, okay, correlation coefficient value. Okay, so to get the correlation coefficient value, okay, you press 3 plus equal to symbol. Okay, so okay, to get the r value, okay, you press 3 plus equal to. Okay, so this is the process of okay, finding correlation in the calculator. Okay,